All right, that was just my brandy that I poured into my fruit cocktail. I'm gonna grab my cinnamon sticks and we're just gonna poke those right into our fruit cocktail can. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a fun and festive dessert. We're gonna finish this off with some mulling spices. Just a splash more brandy. And then we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for a couple hours. All right, it's been 24 hours in the fridge and I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small bowl. I'm gonna pull out those cinnamon sticks. Oh my goodness, these smell so delicious. They've been soaking in that brandy and spices for 24 hours. Now we're gonna grab a little strainer and strain all of that brandy out.
Well, there's not a lot coming out.
Oh yeah, those have been soaking. All right, that seems good enough. Keep all that goodness. And I'm gonna bring in a large bowl now and we're gonna pour the rest of that mixture right into our large bowl with those spices. And into our fruit, we are gonna add 1 box of our spice cake mix. Now you can use whatever cake mix you like. I just think that this spice cake mix goes best with all of those delicious spices. Oh my goodness. Woo. All right, got that in there. Next, I'm gonna bring in some eggs. Go ahead and crack that. Beautiful, and we're gonna add 3 eggs to our mixture. Just following the box recipe with those eggs, but we are gonna change it up just a little bit. Beautiful.
Perfect cracks.
Now instead of vegetable oil, we're gonna add a stick of butter. And then those fruit have a lot of moisture, so we don't need to do the full cup of water. We're gonna do half a cup instead. Okay, and that is it. We're gonna go ahead and grab our whisk and we'll start mixing everything together. It will be a little chunky because of that fruit, but oh my goodness, it is gonna taste incredible. Look how it's coming together already. This is a take on a holiday classic that I think you guys are really, really gonna love. It's so simple, so easy. You didn't even know you could make it at home. Okay, this is ready. Make sure you get all that fruit out of your whisk. Perfect. Now you can put this in a bundt pan, a cake pan, but we are actually gonna make these into little muffins. So I did grease my pan and I have my big scoop here and we're just gonna go ahead and add a scoop of our batter right into our muffin tin. Oh, this mixture right here smells so potent with all those spices, the brandy, all that deliciousness. Now the brandy will cook out in the oven, but it's gonna taste incredible. All right, so let's go ahead and get this filled up. All right, last one. Beautiful. Okay, so this batter will make about 2 dozen, but we're gonna go ahead and put this first dozen in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. All right, you guys. I did let them cool for about 15 minutes after taking them out. It is time to take out our mini fruitcake muffins. And this is a silicone. Oh my gosh. Woo.
Is it hot?
Yes.
Oh. Perfect.
Okay. So I greased it and it's a silicone muffin tin. So these are coming out beautifully. Let's go ahead and take out a few more. All right. Fruitcake for Christmas. Oh my goodness. You guys gotta let me know. Are you team fruitcake or team no fruitcake?
I'm team fruitcake.
Oh my goodness. Look at those delicious fruits in there. It's cooked perfectly. Woo! You could add some, brown sugar butter on there or a little icing, but I think I'm just gonna go for it as is.